Welcome to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for smart buying decisions. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best small desktop fish tank for Betta fish lovers, the Tetra 1-gallon half-moon fish tank with movable LED light. Right off the bat, this aquarium makes an impression. Its unique half-moon design with a clear plastic front gives you an unobstructed view of your fish, turning your desktop or side table into a living work of art. It's compact, stylish, and minimalist, making it a fantastic choice for small spaces, offices, dorm rooms, or as a calming accent in any room. Now, let's talk functionality. One of the standout features is the movable LED light. This isn't just a fixed overhead lamp, it's repositionable. Want to light your fish from above or below for a more dramatic look? Go ahead. This gives you flexibility to play with the ambience and highlight your fish's natural colors, especially those vibrant Betta hues. Do note, it requires 3 Ah batteries which aren't included, so keep that in mind when setting it up. Measuring 9 inches wide, 10.5 inches high, and 4.5 inches deep, this tank holds approximately 1.1 gallons. While that might sound small, it's actually a perfect size for Betta fish. These beautiful creatures have large, heavy fins and are slow swimmers, so they thrive in tanks that don't have too much current or open water space. Less is more when it comes to Betta comfort, and this tank nails that balance. It also includes a clear canopy with a small feeding hole. Feeding time becomes super easy. No need to remove the lid or disturb your fish. Just drop the food right in and watch them enjoy their meal. Another nice touch? The tank comes with a built-in stand that adds to its aesthetic appeal while giving it stability. And although it's made from acrylic instead of glass, it's crystal clear, lighter in weight, and much more durable. Especially useful if you're placing it in a high-traffic area or somewhere prone to little accidents. Now let's address what this kit isn't. It doesn't come with a filter or heater, so if your room tends to get chilly or if you want a pristine tank, you might want to invest in those separately. But for a beginner setup or a Betta lover who prefers low-maintenance aquariums, this tank provides just the right balance of simplicity and visual appeal. In terms of price, it's quite affordable. Even with shipping and import fees to India, it's a solid deal for the quality and features you're getting. To sum it up, the Tetra 1-gallon half-moon fish tank is compact, elegant, and functional. It's an excellent option for anyone who wants to enjoy the calming beauty of Betta fish without the hassle of a large aquarium setup. Whether you're a beginner fish keeper or just looking to add a peaceful, living touch to your space, this little tank might just be the perfect fit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more honest product breakdowns. Catch you in the next video.